Jai Shri Gurudev. Today we are going to discuss about the word class. Okay, it is a subject in the grammar part. Okay, it is related to grammar part. This topic which I am going to discuss with you today, that is in the first chapter. It means at the end of the chapter they have given the activity related to language component. Okay, we are going to discuss today, as I told you already, it is word class. Word class. Also you can say word classes. In other words, it is also said that parts of speech. Parts of speech. Okay. So in English language we have 8 parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. When it is said like this, 8 parts of speech, it is related to any language. It is not only related to English language. Speech means in general it could be any language. Okay. In general we have 8 parts of speech. So in English we are going to tell them in the following ways. What are the 8 parts of speech? If we have to know that, they are like this. That is, first one is noun, second one is pronoun, third one is verb, fourth one is adverb, fifth one is adjective, and the sixth one is conjunction. Sixth one is preposition. Seventh one is conjunction. Eighth one is interjections. Okay. So here, what is a noun? It is nothing but a name. Okay, it is nothing but a name. Name of a person, name of a thing, name of a place. Okay. Example, Ravi. It is a name of a person, or Mysore. It is a name of a place, like that. Nirma. It is a name of a thing. Okay, it is a name given to a thing, or also water. It is a thing. It is the name given to it. Okay, like that. Pronoun. Pronoun means it is a word used instead of a noun in the sentence. What are those? I, we, you, he, she, they, it, etc. There are so many others. So to understand that, I am just mentioning only few of them. Okay. Now, if you take verb, it is going to indicate what is the action in a sentence which is performed by the subject. Okay. So, what is the action which will be done by a person which is in the subject place? That will be indicated by the verb. It also tells the time of action. It is not that only action will indicate, it It is also going to indicate the time of action. For example, go. Okay, it is the action. A person is moving from one place to another place. Okay, next run. It is an action. Okay, and speak. It is an action. Okay, and sleep. It is an action. It is an action which will be done by a person. Okay. Now, what do you mean by adverb? It is a word which adds extra quality to the verb. Extra quality to the verb. Such words are called as adverbs. How they appear in a sentence in the language? Let us understand. I go. If you take this, I go, it is a sentence. Okay. When you say that go is an action that will be performed by, that is done by the person I. Okay. How he goes slowly. I go slowly. I go slowly. Slowly is the word. It is indicating that how that person goes. I is the person going, and how he goes, that will be indicated by the word slowly. So it means the quality, extra meaning is added by this word slowly to the word go, which is a verb here. Next, okay, adjective. What do you mean by adjective? It is a word which indicates extra meaning to the noun. That is what the adjective. Okay, mango is sweet. Mango is sweet. How sweet it is? Mango is a fruit. Mango is a fruit. Fruit, mango, these are all nouns. Okay. So what kind of fruit it is? It is a sweet fruit. Mango is a sweet fruit. Got it? Mango is a sweet fruit. What kind of fruit it is? It is a sweet fruit. This word is adding extra meaning to the word fruit. This is a noun. This is an adjective. Okay. So any word which adds extra meaning or quality to the noun, that is called as adjective. Preposition. Preposition means it is a word comes before the noun to give in what relation it is related. It is there in the sentence with the another noun. What is the relation between the two nouns? That will be indicated by the preposition. So this is a compound word. You know that pre is one word, position is another word. It means pre means before. Okay. Position means place. Pre means before, position means place. This word comes before a noun and it indicates the relation which is having with another noun. That is the preposition. That is a preposition. I take an example. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Table is one noun. Book is another noun. So this is a preposition. This is a preposition. This is a preposition. This word is indicating what is the relation between these two. What is the relation between these two? If you remove this preposition on, the meaning will change. It will be like this. The book is the table. If you remove this preposition from the sentence is going to become like this, and the meaning will change entirely. What is the meaning of this sentence? The book is on the table. There is a table on which the book is kept. Okay. Now what is the meaning of this sentence? The book is the table. It means there is no difference between book and the table. Book is nothing but the table is nothing but the book. That is the meaning. It changes. So we have to use prepositions correctly. Only then it will indicate the correct meaning. If we do not use prepositions properly, the meaning will change and the sentence will become wrong. By mistake, if you have not inserted a preposition in that sentence correctly, then also it becomes awkward like this. It gives wrong meaning. It changes the meaning. Okay, that's why we have to use the prepositions correctly. What are the different types of prepositions? Different prepositions we can see: in, out, above, below. Okay, off, OFF off. Okay, at. Okay, like this, there are several prepositions. What do you mean by conjunction? It is a word which is going to connect two nouns. They will join two nouns. That is the word. For example, and, so, therefore, but, since. These are all conjunctions. Say for example, I bought a pen and a book. Okay, there are two things which are purchased. I bought a book and a pen, or I say that I bought a pen and a book. This is one noun and this is another noun. Both are nouns. Both are connected by a word, that is and, that is called as conjunction. What do you mean by interjection? It is nothing but a word which indicates the feelings, the strong feelings, emotions of a person. Like alas. It indicates the kind of sympathy, sorrow in the mind of the speaker. Alas, he is dead. So there is sadness. Okay. Wow. Whoa. Okay. And then these kind of words will indicate the feelings, emotions. Okay. Maybe they are going to indicate the excitement of the person. He is not acting, reacting normal. He is overreacting. Feelings are expressed too much. Okay. So too much of feelings he is having in his heart, that is expressed. Okay. So any word which is going to express such kind of powerful feelings of the heart of the person, then those words are called as interjection. Okay. So you know that these are the 8 parts of speech. Now, what is the type of learning we have to go about in this class, which is related to the chapter Gentlemen of the Jungle. In the Gentlemen of the Jungle, they have given a language component that has to be learned. How that is relevant here from the point of your curriculum, from the point of your syllabus, what exactly you are supposed to learn in that section, in that language component part. Okay, so we know that we have 8 parts of speech. When you see that there are different words in different situations, they act differently. Okay, we have some words in our language. The same word, the root word is same. Basically, the word, it is going to act in different manners. Sometimes the same word will be a noun, the same word will be a verb, the same word will also be an adverb, an adjective. The same word, the root word is same, but it acts differently in different situations. It can be used as a noun, it can be used as a verb, it can be used as an adverb and adjective. So we have to study such kind of words here in this part, in this section which is prescribed for your learning in your syllabus. Okay. What are the words, such words we have to know? We shall collect some words. Say for example, there is a word construct. There is a word construct. It is a root word. It is a root word. What is the different form as per parts of speech? This is something like verb. It is a verb. Basically, the root word is also the same. And the same word can be also a noun. Construction. It is a noun. Okay. Constructive. 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 It is an adjective. It is an adjective. Okay. Constructively. Constructively. It is an adverb. See that? Root word is construct. The same word can be used as a noun, can be used as an adjective, can be used as an adverb, depending on the situation. Depending on the requirement, we can use the same word in different ways. Okay, let us see some of the examples, some sentences, how the same word can be manipulated, same word can be used in the sentences. Okay, I construct, or else I take a person, I use a person's name to express this. Ravi constructs, yeah, Ravi constructed, I say constructed, or you can also use constructs. Constructs is in present tense. Constructs a house. Constructs a house. Or you can also say Ravi constructed a house. This is a verb. In this sentence, the word construct is used as a verb. And in the another sentence, the construction of a house is going on next to his house. The construction of a house is going on next to his house. Here, this sentence is used as a noun. Okay, and constructive. Let us see. Ravi does only the constructive work. Constructive work. Here, what do you mean by that? Constructive work means anything which is useful, anything which is good, anything which is not a waste, such kind of works he does. That is the meaning of it. Okay. Ravi uses Ravi works constructively. Works constructively. If you tell that, how does he works? He works constructively. Here it is an adverb. Here it is a noun. Sorry, adjective. It is an adjective. In this case, it is noun. In this case, it is verb. See that the same word can be used as a verb, noun, adjective, adverb. These are the different sentences you have seen now. So such kind of words we have to use in the right relevant situations. Okay. So how this question is going to appear in the examination, we have to see. It is going to be asked for only 1 mark in your examination, and they will give you instruction to use the right form of a word. Okay? Right form of a word is supposed to be inserted in the sentence as it is required. Okay? Let us take one example which is available here, that is going to be appearing, that is going to be you asked in the examination. Okay? As I told you, it is only for 1 mark. The in bracket they mentioned separate of mother and child was inevitable. This is the sentence. In the examination, they are going to ask this type of questions. In the bracket, they will give you an instruction. That instruction to be followed to complete this question in the examination. Complete the sentence with the right form of the word given in brackets. Complete the sentence with the right form of the word given in brackets. Okay, in brackets they have given this word separate is given. Okay, it is a root word. Right form of this word is supposed to be inserted in this blank, just like this. You see, construct is the word. So in different sentences, in different forms, we have used here. Same way here also. Right form of this word separate has to be used in the sentence to complete the question. Okay, the separation of mother and the child was inevitable. Okay, inevitable. Separation of mother and child was inevitable. See that this is the noun form. Noun form should be used in this sentence. Okay, let us take one more example. We shall see. Babar Ali's example. This is one example, and this is another example. Babar Ali's example serves as an dash in bracket inspire, okay, for all of us, see that there is a blank, and in the brackets they have given the word inspire. Now we are supposed to use a right form of this word in this bracket, in this blank. Babar Ali's example serves as an dash for all of us. What is the form we are supposed to use? Noun form should be used in this sentence. What is the noun form of inspire? That is inspiration. We have to use the word inspiration here. So it is a noun form that is required for this sentence. Okay, let us see some more examples which can be used in the sentences. Okay, now Mara stood in dash within bracket amazed looking at the table. What is the form of this one? Noun form we have to use. What is that? Amazement. Amazement is the word supposed to be used in that sentence. It is a noun form. Okay, so let us take one more example. The lion was too hasty in his. The lion was too hasty in dash, in his dash within brackets judge. Okay, here also we are supposed to use a noun form. What is that? Judgment. Okay, this is a verb form and we have to use the noun form. Okay, now students learned, another example. Students learned the correct dash within brackets pronouns the words of the words. Students learn the correct dash of the words. This is a verb form. We are supposed to use pronunciation. Pronunciation. Okay. Pronunciation of the words. Students learn the correct pronunciation of the words. Like this, we are supposed to fill up the blanks by selecting the word which is given in the brackets for that blank. Okay, I think you are clear about it. So this question will be for 1 mark. In the examination, it is a compulsory question and it is for 1 mark. Okay, fine.